It's easy to get into, but hard to get out of.
What?
Trouble. Dude, what should you do if you're addicted to seaweed?
What?
Seek help. On Monday, we start Diarrhea Awareness Week. Runs until Friday. My wife crashed the car listening to Adele last night. She was rolling in the Jeep. What do you call a woman that's really good at darts? Amy. My Mexican friend just started taking anti-anxiety medication. They're for his panic attacks.